Hey, I'm here with MRCOOL, and today we're taking a deeper look at the MRCOOL Central Ducted Hyperheat Condenser. The Central Ducted Hyperheat combines powerful performance, flexibility in installation, and energy efficiency. This system is a fully ducted inverter heat pump platform, available in 5 capacities, all featuring a slim side discharge design. For performance, it's designed to deliver 100% heating output down to -5 degrees Fahrenheit and 100% cooling capacity up to 109 degrees Fahrenheit outdoor temperature. This operating range allows the system to maintain consistent performance across the country's many climates. Efficiency is another major advantage. The Central Ducted Hyperheat delivers up to 18.3 CO2 and up to a 10 HSPF2 rating in Climate Zone 4. Because of the inverter-driven compressor, every model qualifies for Energy Star 6.1 certification, including cold climate designation. The Central Ducted Hyperheat Condenser is built to maximize compatibility with third-party handlers, A-coils, and furnaces. Here we have the MRCOOL VersaPro handler, which works perfectly with the system. It allows for flexible installation options, including upflow, downflow, and horizontal left and right configurations. This air handler also features a compact design, slide-out blower, and a self-diagnostics panel, allowing straightforward maintenance and troubleshooting. So, whether pairing it with one of MRCOOL's air handlers or an existing third-party system, you're good to go. The Central Ducted system uses R454B refrigerant, meeting the latest environmental standards. And installation is flexible thanks to the ability to use standard flared line sets or the MRCOOL patented no-vac line set. These lines come pre-charged and ready to connect, eliminating the need for vacuum pumps, manifold gauges, and evacuation procedures. This flexibility allows installers to choose the method that works best for their job site. Speaking of precise control, check out this error code readout on the control board. Both the condenser and this VersaPro air handler feature this readout for quick diagnostics. This is so handy and saves me so much time. MRCOOL stands behind the Central Ducted Hyperheat series with strong warranty protection. This system features 10-year parts, compressor, and labor warranties with no registration required. That means homeowners and contractors don't have to worry about missing paperwork or reduced warranty protection. So, if you're wanting a system that combines powerful performance, flexibility in installation, and energy efficiency, look no further than the MRCOOL Central Ducted Hyperheat Condenser. To find out more, visit MRCOOL.com today. Thanks for watching.